Hi, Neal McLaughlin here for another episode of DIY Insurance Claims, your free resource for everything insurance claim related. Today I want to talk to you about the term unilateral. If you hear your policy or contract being referred to as a unilateral contract, it is. Yes, there are two parties, the insured and the insurer. And yes, there are many facets to the insurance policy, but when they speak of it being a unilateral contract, what they mean is the insurance company, the insurance carrier, is the only party to the contract that is having a legally enforceable section of their contract. Let me give you an example. You take out a contract for a standard homeowners policy. You agree to the terms, it's for a 1-year period, and you decide to make payments. Instead of paying it up front, you have it rolled into your mortgage and you pay a monthly fee or premium for that policy. If you do not continue to pay on that policy, the insurance company does not take you to court and force you to make all 12-month payments. It simply ends the coverage. If, on the other hand, during the term of the policy, the insuring agency, company, or carrier cannot simply walk away from its obligations. The term unilateral refers to the fact that the insurance company has a legally enforceable burden that they have to perform specifically what is described under the policy or contract. The insured, on the other hand, is free to walk away from the contract. For instance, if you choose not to pay your premium, the insurance company or carrier will not take you to litigation or court in order to enforce the contract and get you to pay for the 12 months that you agreed to originally. They will simply stop the contract and it will have an end. On the other hand, if you choose to utilize the policy coverage provided and your insurance premiums are up to date, at that point, the insurance carrier has a legally enforceable obligation which they must comply with. So in that way, policy and contracts with insurance carriers and companies are unilateral. This has been Neal McLaughlin for another episode of DIY Insurance Claims. Thank you. Have a great day.